Loved ones say this 3-year-old little girl was shot and killed in Louisville as she played in her dollhouse at home with her dad. WDRB's Gilbert Coursey tells us why Kentucky's Supreme Court just overturned the conviction of the man found guilty in their murder.
Yeah, Fallon, this is one of those stories that outraged the city of Louisville. I remember it well. And even the judge in this case, McKay Chavan, he got emotional, tearing up during the sentencing. Watch.
When that officer's running, golly. The wave of grief and sadness that washed over people as he ran by with her body is something I'll never forget. But it also speaks well of the system.
Well, now the state Supreme Court is saying that that judge made a mistake. Kevon Lawless was sentenced to life in prison back in 2022 for shooting 21-year-old Brandon Waddles and his 3-year-old daughter Trinity Randolph. The high court tossed out the verdict today, saying there should have been a mistrial. Why? A juror saw news reports after a witness lied on the stand while testifying and was detained for it. Well, Judge Chavan denied Lawless's request for a mistrial at the time and instead tapped an alternate juror as a replacement for deliberations. The high court said that was an error. Again, the impact of this case was far-reaching. People sobbed in the streets at the scene in the Jacobs neighborhood back in August of 2020. Randolph and Waddles were shot in their home. Loved ones said that the 3-year-old was playing in her Frozen-themed dollhouse when she was gunned down. So people dressed as Disney princesses stood outside of her funeral like a royal court.
She was innocent. She didn't have anything to do with whatever was going on with adults.
I reached out to the prosecutor in this case tonight. She told me that the office is reviewing the Supreme Court's decision, but remains committed to getting justice for both Trinity and her father. Gilbert Coursey, WDRB News.